Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on grayscale mode on your Mac, so your display shows everything in black, white, and shades of gray. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Thanks. To begin, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and choose System Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Accessibility in the sidebar. It's listed under the General section. Go ahead and click on it. Now in the Accessibility menu, scroll down a bit and tap on Display. From here, look for Color Filters, and click to expand that section. Now choose Grayscale from the Filter Type drop-down, and then just toggle the switch to turn it on. As soon as you do, your entire screen will switch to grayscale. Everything will appear in black, white, and gray tones. You can also adjust the intensity slider if you want a more subtle grayscale effect instead of full black and white. And that's it. You've successfully enabled grayscale on your Mac. If this video helped, be sure to like, comment if you have any questions, and of course subscribe for more simple Mac tutorials. Catch you in the next one.